the Express, the next module in the Node.js. And guys, why we are going to learn about the Express module of the Node.js, right? So guys, very first thing we need to know about what is Express, and let's see. So guys, Express is a fast, unopinionated, minimalist web framework for Node.js, right? So guys, for creating web application, we have used Node.js, and we used create server command for Node.js in this, guys, and we have some requests and responses. And according to that, guys, we created some sort of routes, and we need to check for that, right? And guys, that was very difficult for us to create more than a one route, and to manage the routes, right? Now guys, we are going to use the Express to create our routes in a separate file, and we are going to use that stuff. And guys, it's going to be very much easier than the Node, right? So let's see, guys, what I need to do. The very first thing, guys, we need to install npm. And guys, first of all, let me make a directory. I'm writing Express demo, right? So guys, I'm creating a folder name with Express demo, and guys, I'm moving to that Express demo folder. And guys, I need to write that is npm init. So guys, when I write npm init, it will ask for the package name, that is already Express demo version 1, and description, our first Express demo. So I'm writing Express demo 1, and entry point will be index.js. Test command will be like this: git and keywords, and author is going to be my name, that is Kuldeep Singh, right? And guys, license something, that's okay, fine for me, right? Guys, I need to install something, so I will write npm install, then I will write Express, right? And minus save. Guys, when I write npm install Express minus save, actually guys, I'm trying to install the third party module of the node, that is Express, right? So guys, it is something telling me about that we have added something, that is Express at the rate 4.17.1, that is the package and the package version. Now guys, I need to simply open this folder. So guys, after opening this folder, we can see there is something node modules, and guys, there are a lot of content in that thing. It's alright, guys. And guys, there is one file, that is a package.json. So guys, in the package.json file, we can see some stuff with a name that we have, right? It is something Express demo version 0.0.0, description about the demo, right? Main is index.js, guys. In the script we have tests and something like this. So guys, I'm going to create one more script just to start our server. So guys, I'm writing simply start, right? So that means what I want to do. So I will say, guys, simply just write node and index, right? Because this script is for starting our server, that's it. Because this package.json file has one more thing, that is dependencies. Dependencies means, guys, what the modules is required for our application. So guys, it is something Express, and there is a version of this Express. So guys, that is a dependency that we have requirement. So guys, I'm going to create another file in this Express demo, that the file name will be app.js, or actually guys, it is index.js file, right? So guys, I need to save this file simply. Now guys, what I need, I will be writing const express equals to require Express. So guys, to include our third party modules, we need to write some lines like this. And guys, simply I have used the Express framework, and guys, so I need to create an application using the Express server. So I will write Express like this. Now guys, I will simply write app dot listen, right? Guys, I want to start my application on the port 3000. So that the first thing, guys, we need to pass the port. And so for this thing, guys, I'm just simply passing console.log and server is running on port 3000. So I will simply pass 3000, right? So guys, let's see now what happens when I run this file on the server. So guys, I'll be writing node index.js, right? So guys, when I click on this, it is saying server is running on the port 3000, and let's see, guys, the port number. So guys, I will write localhost 3000 and press enter. So guys, now we can see it is saying cannot get slash. So guys, let's see how we can make some routes in this file. So we will be simply writing app dot. Guys, make sure before listening on the port, I need to write something app.get. So guys, why I'm writing get means the request, right? So guys, for some requests, guys, we can have post, we can have put request, we can have delete request. So it is up to you guys which request you want. So it is some functions for you, right? So guys, these are type of request we can have. So right now I want to get request only. So in this request guys, we need to first pass the path, right? And then guys, we need to pass some sort of function which accept three parameters. The very first is request, second is response, and third one is the next. So guys, I will be simply say if this request on the slash, I will simply send the response dot send, and guys, I will find that hello, this is home page. Hello, this is home page. And let's see guys what happens. Now guys, when I try to see the content, I can still see guys we cannot get it. So guys, what I need to do, I need to stop the server, and again I need to restart. So when I restart the server guys, I can simply see hello, this is the home page, right? So guys, now if I need to go for about page, so guys when I write about, it say cannot get about. So guys, how we can modify this stuff? So guys, we need to again go to the same stuff and simply write for about. So I'm going to mention about. So if the user says about, if the user says services, and if the user says contact, let me contact her. So guys, this is our about page, so I will write about. This is our services, I will write services. This is our contact, so I will write contact. Right? So let's see guys. Now first of all, we need to stop the server. So let's stop and then restart. So guys, now if I say about page, it will show me about, and if I write services, it will come to the services page. If I write contact, it will come to the contact page, right? So guys, in this way we can manage our routes very clearly, but not a big deal for us, right? Just a simple way guys, we need to write get and the path which I want. And guys, sometimes users want if users come to the web page like this 3000, or if a user slash home, I need to show the only one thing, that is the home page, right? So guys, this is home page, so I will simply specify something like this home. So guys, you can see the stuff like this, right? So we need to restart, actually stop and restart. So guys, this is our home page, right? So guys, if I don't mention the stuff, it is the home page. If I mention slash home, it is again the home page. So guys, in this manner we are going to create our stuff, right? So this is the way, right? Now the thing is guys, we need to create the Express application just using some stuff like the Express module and the const app, and we need to listen on the port. So this is all about the Express guys. And guys, this package.json file contains our one more guys, I forgot to mention, that is start and colon. I need to mention our command, so I will be writing node then index. Well, why it happens like this? Now let's see. If I mention some stuff like this, what is the use of this command? So guys, if I write npm let's and start. So guys, if I write npm start, you can see it is saying express demo 1 start user back blah blah. It is saying node index. So guys, it is a simpler way. If I write npm start, it doesn't matter at all. It will start our index file. It is still the same guys, right? So home contact like this. So this is all about our Express. And guys, next we will learn about our Express generator. Why we use Express generator guys, you will come to know. Right now guys, I'm writing the every stuff in front of you. Even I'm writing this stuff like index.js, const express equals to require express, const app equals to express. And guys, if I need to show some files like images or some static files, right, we need to write lot of stuff. And guys, I don't wish to write because our node has given us some sort of things, right? So we will learn about the Express generator in the next slide, that is Express generator. So guys, what is the use of Express generator, you will come to know it soon. And guys, I expect that your people will be using this Express generator in the future. So guys, this is all about our Express application and how we can create Express application. We just need to install our dependency, that is Express module, and the version right now current is 4.17.1, right? And guys, that's our today topic. So let's see what we can do using the Express generator. Thank you guys.